If you drive a truck, listen up. There are hidden features in your vehicle that you've probably never used, but could actually save your life. From smarter towing to life-saving airbags, today we're revealing two powerful tricks built right into your truck's design. Whether you're hauling heavy loads or just cruising around town, knowing about these features can make a huge difference. Let's jump right in and unlock these life-saving secrets. Secret features. Secret features videos are incredibly popular because they tap into curiosity and offer real value to viewers. Truck owners love discovering hidden tricks and tools built into their vehicles that they might not know about. These features often solve common problems or add convenience, making everyday driving easier and safer. For example, Ford's Pro Trailer Hitch Assist simplifies the challenging task of hitching a trailer by providing camera guidance and steering help, which many drivers find game-changing. Similarly, Ram trucks have clever hidden bed storage compartments that maximize space without sacrificing style or function, something every truck owner wants to know about. Videos showcasing these hidden gems create a sense of discovery and insider knowledge, which encourages shares, likes, and comments. Viewers feel they're getting expert tips that enhance their truck experience, making these videos highly engaging and likely to go viral. Life-saving angle. When it comes to driving trucks, safety isn't just about seatbelts or airbags. It's also about knowing and using the built-in features designed to protect you in dangerous situations. Many truck owners are unaware of these hidden lifesavers, which can make a critical difference during emergencies. For example, Chevy and GMC's tow haul mode doesn't just make towing easier. It reduces the risk of transmission failure on steep hills, helping prevent accidents caused by sudden loss of control. Similarly, Toyota's roll-sensing airbags activate during rollovers to shield you from severe injuries caused by roof crush or side impacts. These features aren't flashy, but they're engineered to save lives when seconds matter most. Ignoring them means missing out on vital protection you already have at your fingertips. Whether you're an off-road adventurer, a parent driving kids to school, or a professional hauler, activating and understanding these safety features can prevent injuries, reduce accident severity, and even save your life. This video will help you unlock these hidden protections and give you peace of mind every time you get behind the wheel. Chevy/GMC tow/haul mode. Chevy and GMC trucks come equipped with a feature called tow/haul mode that's a game changer when towing heavy loads or driving on steep hills. When activated, this mode adjusts the transmission's shift points to keep the engine in the right power range, preventing overheating and reducing strain on the transmission. This means your truck won't constantly shift gears, which can cause wear and tear over time. Tow-haul mode also improves vehicle control and stability, making uphill climbs and descents safer and smoother. Many drivers overlook this feature, but using it regularly can save costly repairs and keep your truck running strong. Toyota's roll-sensing airbags. Toyota's roll-sensing airbags are an advanced safety feature designed to protect passengers during rollover accidents, a common risk for trucks and SUVs due to their higher center of gravity. Unlike traditional airbags that deploy only in frontal or side collisions, roll-sensing airbags use sophisticated sensors to detect when the vehicle is tipping or rolling over. When a rollover is imminent, these sensors trigger the deployment of side curtain airbags that extend along the windows, creating a protective barrier between occupants and the vehicle's roof or nearby objects. This cushioning effect significantly reduces the risk of serious head and neck injuries caused by roof crush or impact with the ground or surrounding obstacles. The airbags deploy rapidly and remain inflated for several seconds to protect passengers, even if the vehicle continues to roll. Many drivers are unaware that their Toyota truck has this life-saving feature, which is why it often goes unused or unappreciated. Understanding and trusting your vehicle's safety systems, including roll-sensing airbags, is crucial. They are a vital line of defense in severe accidents, providing peace of mind that your truck is equipped not just for everyday driving, but also for worst-case scenarios. Activating and maintaining these safety features can truly make the difference between injury and survival. Ford's 911 Assist is an innovative emergency response feature designed to provide quick help when you need it most. If your Ford truck is involved in a serious crash, 911 Assist automatically uses your connected smartphone to call emergency services. It doesn't rely on you to make the call, especially important if you're unconscious, injured, or unable to reach your phone. The system also transmits your exact location to first responders, ensuring help arrives as quickly as possible, which can be critical in life-threatening situations or remote areas where finding you might be difficult. This hands-free emergency call system gives drivers peace of mind, knowing that in the event of a collision, assistance is on the way even if they can't ask for it. Many drivers are unaware that their Ford vehicles come equipped with this feature, which operates seamlessly in the background without requiring any setup. Ford's 911 Assist is part of a broader move towards smarter, safer vehicles that prioritize your protection beyond traditional safety measures. Remember, your truck is equipped with powerful features designed to protect you and your passengers, features many drivers overlook. Activating tow haul mode, understanding roll-sensing airbags, and trusting Ford's 911 Assist can make all the difference in emergency situations. Taking a few minutes to learn about these safety tools could save your life and prevent costly damage. Stay informed, stay prepared, and drive with confidence. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with fellow truck owners. Safe travels, and see you in the next video. Learning about these hidden truck features could save your life. From Chevy and GMC's tow haul mode to Toyota's roll-sensing airbags and Ford's 911 Assist, these tools are designed to keep you safe and protect your vehicle if you know how to use them. Take a moment to check your truck's manual, activate these features, and start driving with confidence. Remember, safety isn't just about what you can see, it's about what's built in to protect you when it matters most. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more truck tips and hidden feature reveals. Have you ever used any of these safety features? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your stories. Stay safe out there on the road, and I'll see you in the next video.